Want to know how to animate an awesome 3D glitch text in Premiere Pro? Check this out! Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest way to deliver large media files online. Sign up for MASV today and you will get 100 gigabytes free to send all your files anywhere you want. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. Alright, let's talk about glitches. Glitches have been used since the beginning of filmmaking. They have become a useful tool to create an interesting, dynamic, and stylized edit that keeps the audience attention. There are different kinds of glitches, but in general they have these elements: an RGB distortion, some pixel errors, scan lines, and noise. Anything can have a glitch, but it's very different to create a glitchy video and to create a glitchy text. Let me show you how to animate a glitchy text with a 3D twist here in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have already here a 1920 by 1080 sequence. In this toolbar, select the T to create a text in this window, or simply click Command-T for Mac and Control-T for Windows. Modify your text with the style you want. Ideally, you want to select a bold, blocky font, so we can see the effect better. Make sure to increase the font size on the screen as well. Okay, now I'm going to copy this text I created. You can just do copy-paste or click Option for Mac and Alt for Windows when dragging the clip to a track above. This will duplicate the clip. Let's go to the Effects tab and look for the wave warp. Add this effect to the clip on the first track. On the first option, change it to a square. This will give more like a pixel error effect. Modify the next option, wave height, and you will see it better. I'm going to leave it around 150, so it has more distance from the original text. Next option is the width. This one will make the spaces created in my text bigger or smaller. I'll leave it around 160. Okay, here in direction, it will allow us to make the movement vertical at 90 degrees or horizontal at 0 degrees. When put horizontally, it gives us more of the scan lines effect. Let's leave it at 90 for now. Last one to modify is the speed. It is of course the speed that it will play at. Let's make it fast so it can look glitchy. Maybe 10. Excellent! Now let's press the right arrow on our keyboard 3 times and cut the text. Keep going like this until we get 5 clips. I'm going to go to each one of them and change a bit the parameters so there is a variation on the glitch. Mostly I'll change the direction so you can go from vertical to horizontal to vertical again. Okay, I'll leave the first 2 clips on their spot, but we'll move the next 3 last ones. Leave a space of around half a second, 12 frames. Next, I will cut the original main clip on the second track. Let's cut up the top layer so we can get that cool jittery effect. We're going to make it visible, just in some parts so it can flash. It's looking good, but you can always go further. On the Effects tab, we can look for the effect Tint and add it to the glitch clips. Let's make the first one red, the next one blue, the next one green, then red and then blue again. RGB colors are usually used, but if you want to, try it with different ones. Let's go back to the Effects tab. This time we will look for noise. Add it to the first glitch and raise it to 100. Now let's look for glitch in Effects. Add it to the first clip and change the amplitude to modify the intensity. Copy and paste both effects to the rest of the glitches in the sequence. Oh yes, I'm liking it. Copy and paste these glitch clips you made and add them along your text. Combine them in different ways so the glitch effect is unique every time. Remember to leave the main original text on top of some of the glitches or part of the glitches. It also helps make the effect perfect. Woof! Amazing! Let's make this glitchy text 3D. Select all the edit we created and right-click. Here, select Nest. I'm going to name this new sequence Glitch Main. Back to the Effects tab, I'm going to look for Basic 3D and add it to the nested sequence. With this effect, you can swivel and tilt the text to make it look like 3D. This even has the option to keyframe it, so you can create a 3D animation of your text. Add a drop shadow so it can help with the 3D appearance. When you finish your video, use MASV to send it for reviews or final deliveries to anyone, anywhere in the world. This is the fastest and safest way to deliver all those raw and high-res footage when you're working against the clock. Don't forget to collect your 100 gigabytes free when you sign up with MASV today. Link is in the description box below. Go and get it. If you want more filmmaking tricks, please click that like and subscribe button. We'll have more tutorials and more gifts coming so we can help you ease up your workflow. See you next time. Bye!